Good day, everybody. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. We are on a drive to go to
Sarae Aditaya. Sarae Aditaya.
which is the princess's farm that has housing there and that grows a lot of odds and ends. And supposedly right now they have sunflowers, so we're gonna go find out. I was able to fly the drone here in the past, but right now this is Surin Thailand, and there's a drone ban because of the war that hopefully it's right now it's ceasefire. Hopefully it'll stay that way.
Enjoy the scenery. Very beautiful.
Had major rain this year, so a lot of the fields are still showing some flooding. Beautiful sunflower.
Wow.
And a flower is growing on this other side too. Very healthy looking. They look really nice. That may be the only field.
We have that side too, baby. Go on.
We have flowers all around the trees here. Ponds here with lotus.
Your destination is on the left.
It's nice when you get here, they have a place where you can get sodas or snacks, ice cream. Yeah, there's a lot of things here. You can buy plants and vegetables. I already bought that one right there. She's mine. They have flowers here, but out in the field there, they sell vegetables here, and it's 1 kilo for 100 baht. That's very, very cheap. These are absolutely beautiful. I've never seen a field this healthy looking, this strong. We've been here, I think this is like our 5th time to come here, and we've never actually caught it with sunflowers growing like this. We always just miss them. Some of the roads are closed off. Usually we can drive in the roads. This one over here on the side's closed, which goes by where the old motel and some of the housing back there. A couple of times before I've done the drone here when we were here, but we're not able to fly the drone again now. I assume they'll be loosening that restriction up pretty soon. The vegetable here looks so strong. Obviously very fresh. That's a way to keep the weeds down, put that fabric down. We put the fabric down on ours at home as well, but we covered everything with rock and then put our plants in pots. Very nice though. It's the first time we've caught this much actually growing out here. See corn off over there in the distance. Not sure what they've got growing here. I don't see the actual fruit. Okay, this one here I was able to actually see. They've got gourd growing here, and I recognized this because the leaves look like some of the stuff we have growing at home.
No different.
I know it's different, but the leaf looks.
Yeah, the leaf.
Ours is a small gourd. It's pretty nice that they sell the stuff here. It helps support the cost of operating this place. It's very big. It's many acres. Has cattle, has windmills. I don't see any corn actually on here. Maybe they've already picked the corn. Oh no, there's some there. See that cob right there? Yeah, there's a bunch. So some of them they've already picked, and some of them are not. This is a different type. I assume these are gourd also. These are big. It's really kind of hard to show you the size. There's one that's down here low. So compare it to my hand. Look how big that guy is. Taking a little stroll down the road. I keep kicking the camera. We're going to where the flowers are growing over here. I didn't wear my microphone, so for any of you that don't know, I'm fresh off neck surgery and very limited mobility and can't spend a whole lot of time doing this, so the computer is not my friend anymore. The flowers are all very nice. I don't know what the purpose is except for selfies and photo opportunities. So I put my angel in the picture. We're gonna go see about getting iced coffee and matcha or mocha tea. Welcome to Sarae Cafe. 8:30 a.m. to 16:30, which is 4:30 for the civilian clientele. So we're going to find out what they have here in way of coffee. We have the mascot is here. He's making sure you pay for your stuff when you buy it. I got the cappuccino and Jai got the green tea. 60 baht each. Not bad for being out in the middle of nowhere. We have been able to fly the drone here in the past and show that this is the reservoir that's right next to Sarae Aditaya. However you say it.
Sarae Aditaya.
Sarae Aditaya. So we hope you enjoy the content. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.